How to get your YouTube channel back if you forgot the email and password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your YouTube channel back if you forgot the email and password. First, go to youtube.com and click the sign in link at the top right corner of the page. Bam! The sign in page appears. Then click either the forgot username link or the forgot password link. Next, enter your username. Now, enter the verification code from the multicolored text. Be sure to copy it exactly using uppercase or lowercase as shown in the code. Click the Reset My Password button. YouTube sends an email containing your password to your registered email address. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.